So the fundamentals are complete. Let's now move to concepts section. Here is the concepts, click on it and let's start the challenges. It has only 5 challenges. All 5 are available. So let's start with IBM Z Practitioners. Here is some information that you can read. Then you can click on I am ready to take the quiz. And it has 4 questions, you have to complete all of them. What is the difference between the role of system administrator versus system programmer? The correct answer should be B. System administrator are mainly focused on day-to-day operations. Who is responsible for the operating system including update and fixes? It is system programmers. What is not the task of application developer? Monitoring the performance during operation. Who will most probably notice unusual behavior and error during operations? It will be system operator. So let's check the answer. All the 4 are correct. So let's continue. Awesome, you have completed this challenge. Let us now complete Uptime. Let's complete this. Click on it. Here is a video on Uptime.
Availability, not just important, incredibly important.
So you can watch this video and then I am ready to take the quiz. There are 4 questions. When writing code, what are the 3 things you make sure you check for? Code is tested and secure and performs as it should. What matters just as much as code when it comes to running a system? When and where you run the code. Question 3. On IBM system, you get a tightly orchestrated collection of resources which can be balanced across multiple operating systems, machine or physical locations. True. Availability is not an important feature to ZOS. False. Let's check the answer. Concept complete. 3 are correct, 1 is wrong. The correct answer is 1. Where and how you run your code. So option 1 is the correct answer. So let's continue. This challenge is also complete. Let us now complete the second challenge, that is called systems. Here is system, click on it. Here is some of the information. Continue reading. Then more information is there, you can read it. Then go down and continue reading. Then you can take the quiz. 4 questions are there. Which real-time task manages relational database? It is DB2. What real-time task manage submitted batch jobs? It is JES. Which task manage data messages between business applications on geographically separated computer systems? It should be MQ. Started tasks may wait for another batch jobs depending on workload. This should be true. The last one was wrong, it should be false. Let's continue. This is also complete. Let's complete the challenge called security and privacy. Click on it. Here is the difference between security and privacy. Continue reading. Then you can read and there is more data to be read. And then in the end, I am ready to take the quiz. 3 questions are there. Security refers to how data is protected and is applied to data flowing in a network. True. Security managers like RACF are part of the ZOS operating system. True. Security and privacy are built into what parts of the mainframe? I think the option should be option 3, all are part of the mainframe. Let's submit. So 2 of the answers are wrong, only 1 is correct. So let's click on continue. This challenge is also complete. Let's complete the last challenge, that is enterprise systems. Click on it. You can read this data, continue reading, continue. I'm ready for the quiz. 4 questions are there. Enterprise computing is the use of technology by an individual for business or personal activities. False. Enterprise is used by a large corporation. Which one of these is not a common component in enterprise computing? Salesforce automation. What does an artifact provide? An internationally agreed message format directory guidelines for multi-country and multi-industry electronic data exchange. Which of these is an essential technology characteristics? Security, performance, availability, all of these. So let's click on submit. 3 out of 4 are correct. The wrong one is this one, network attached storage. It is not a common component of enterprise computing. So continue. Awesome, you have completed this challenge. Close everything. So it is telling us you have completed every challenge. View achievements. See all batches. So concept is also achieved and fundamentals is also achieved. Let's close window. Let's go to home. So fundamentals is complete, concepts is also complete. Let's now move to advanced. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.